Hey guys, it's Bob with JohnyTechReview and I hope you guys are all doing well. So today is a pretty gloomy day here in November, raining in the past few days. And honestly, I've been waiting to do this review for a while, but I was waiting for the right time. Simply for the simple reason that these are outdoor speakers and I wanted to review them in the element. So I've been leaving them in the house and been using them for a while. And yeah, this sounds really good. I'll talk about that in a second. But I wanted to take them outside, and the past month and a half or so, it hasn't really rained at all. So in the past week or so, it's starting to get a bit more gloomy, and it started raining. So I've been taking them outdoor and been waiting for this moment to use them. Right now, I have actually them unplugged, but just to give you an idea, I put these out here, and recently we finally was able to actually set it up out here to use with our Apple TV for audio, and we were watching a movie for an outdoor setup here. First of all, just a little bit of disclaimer. The company reached out to me and wanted me to check this product. I told them that I was going to work on my gardening and set up for a movie out here from time to time, and I was going to put it in this space right here. So again, thank you for StudioFinix for sending me the speaker for review. These are the 8-inch Bluetooth waterproof outdoor rock speakers. So first of all, let's talk about the setup. It's relatively simple. You have this power cord here. It's about a 10 feet power cord, so that will kind of give you a little bit of freedom in some way and limit it in some other way. And then of course you have this cable here, which I think is about 25-30 feet, that connect the two speakers together. It's really simple to use this system. All you gotta do is just plug in the power and then go look up in your device, whatever it is, your phone, your tablet, and just pair to it. After you pair, you can start using it. So I will show a quick video of the unboxing process. It came packed really well, and everything was easy to set up. So let's talk a little bit about the sound quality on these. First of all, because it's outdoor, for me the most important thing is how loud does it get. From my perspective, if you crank this all the way up, it gets pretty loud, especially for this outdoor space. Here I have airplane flying through from time to time, but normally for me, with Bluetooth setting, I usually leave it about 60% for music, not to disturb all my neighbors, but if I want it super loud, I can crank it up to about 80, 90 maybe max. At 100, it still sounds pretty good, no distortion or anything like that. As far as being in the element, no issues though. Just make sure you protect your plug. Other than that, the speakers with the ring on it, it does not have any vibration, any other issues. I want to show the bottom of the speaker for a second. By the way, the speaker is really heavy. Well done. You can see the plastic at the bottom here. So here is where you would run the cable through. Just two little, as you can see, cable coming out, and these are all water seal, element seal, and all the nuts are silicone seal, so it's going to be protected from the element. However, this is pretty typical, but it's pretty annoying. You have to make sure every time you're setting these down, you set up, make sure that you don't run over the cable and run it through this little spot right here. And then here is the plug. As you can see, you can unplug this cable, very short, but this is the plug, and it has what you call rubber gasket to keep the water out. In terms of the sound quality, the speaker on the bass level, it's an okay amount bass. You're not gonna feel any thumping, anything, especially outdoor and sticking it on the ground or like that. It's just kind of flat, right? I would say not the best, but not the worst. So it's not like completely flat, but I would say it's pretty close to completely flat. When I use it indoor, definitely it does a better job, but indoor with my hardwood floor, it does have some vibration. So keep that in mind if you crank it up. So where these sounds are really the mid, so for example music or for movie dialogue, these sounds really good, and the highs are also pretty crispy, which is really good. So I would say generally these are pretty good speaker, and for me, when I was using it on the Apple TV, I didn't set any delay, but you can definitely notice there's a little bit of delay, especially with watching like talking head YouTube, where you can see the slight small delay, and I think that's just the nature of Bluetooth. I know devices like Apple TV allow you to kind of have those audio delay, but I didn't set it, but it was okay for a movie we were watching over the hedge over the weekend, and these works pretty well. Okay, so at Anycon, well, for me, not really. The price is about 180 bucks or so. These are pretty recently well priced compared to other outdoor speakers. There is one suggestion I would like to make, but I guess that's why it depends on who you are, right? If you're buying these as Bluetooth speaker, there's no con. But for me, who's someone who just want to use these as outdoor Bluetooth or not, there's one small con, and to me that is the ability to be able to use auxiliary in on another type of audio input. The only option you have is going to be Bluetooth. I'm hoping in the future we can stick it somewhere over here to listen to music, either underneath the porch here or over there in the pergola, so that we can enjoy that. We will be able to do a little bit more video on that later, but so far pretty good. So guys, that's my quick review of this outdoor Bluetooth speaker by StudioFinix. If you guys have any question, feel free to leave in the comment box down below. Please like the video and consider subscribing for more future content. Thank you.